Varu. Wish you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. On this special occasion of Makar Sankranti, I like to share with you how to make yummy til ke laddu or sesame seed laddus. To make the sesame seed or the til ke laddu, the ingredients required are, I'm using 1 cup of white sesame seeds. For 1 cup of white sesame seeds, I'll be using 1 cup of jaggery. I'm using the powdered jaggery. And to this, I'm using half a cup of almond flour. This is the store-bought superfine almond flour. You can also blend the regular whole almonds into a fine powder like this. This is optional. Some cardamom powder and some few chopped nuts. I'm using chopped pistachios, cashew nuts and few raisins. I'm going to be roasting these nuts in some butter. This is optional. You can just use the chopped nuts if you don't want to roast it in the butter. The pan is nice and hot. I'm going to be dry roasting 1 cup of white sesame seeds now. Dry roast the white sesame seeds until they pop. Do not brown them. This would take about 3 minutes of time. Make sure to dry roast the sesame seeds on a low flame. As you can see, the sesame seeds are popping. It's been 3 minutes and it has been nicely roasted. 1 cup of jaggery. This is the powdered jaggery. Keep stirring it continuously between low to medium flame. I'm using the organic jaggery powder, so there are no impurities. For 1 cup of powdered jaggery, I added around 6 tablespoons of water and stir it continuously. And as you can see, it's nicely simmering here and it gets a little thicker. And at this point, add in the thick jaggery syrup mixture into a bowl of water like this. And between your fingers, when you roll it around, you must get a soft ball consistency like this. This is the perfect consistency we are looking for. Once we achieve the soft ball consistency, this is the time to add in the roasted white sesame seeds and also the almond flour and the nuts and raisins and mix it thoroughly in the jaggery syrup. After mixing all this thoroughly, add it into a mixing bowl and add a bit of melted butter or ghee and mix it well, and then grease your palms with some oil or ghee and start making laddus like this while it's warm. And here you go, enjoy this yummy til ke laddus or sesame seed laddus for this Makar Sankranti. I hope you like this video. If you liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Chai with Varu. Also, don't forget to press the notifications bell icon. See you again with another new video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.